Hey everyone! I know it's been a while. Got a good explanation though where we have been. Our daughter had her first child, so we flew out to Washington State and we were there for about 9 days. And so that was a wonderful experience. Something they have been wanting for a while. But while we were gone, we got a little surprise that showed up here, and we can only watch it through the cameras, the security cameras.
Yeah, blank cameras.
So Greg will put some of the videos in here. You know, stuff that we Southerners aren't used to.
We get
So,
rarely, occasionally, but
it's been 7 years
yeah,
since the last one. Well, we had a little bit in 2022.
yeah, very little.
Yeah. You know, you Northerners probably need to explain to us what to do with that stuff when it's in the yard.
We just want to get it out of here.
Oh, yeah, every day. I mean, we flew home. That happened on Tuesday night into Wednesday, and we flew home on Friday.
Right.
And when we landed, there was about, I say, 3 to 5 feet of snowbank right off the runway, all the way down. I was like, man, it's too cold. I don't know about y'all, but I'm ready for spring.
Yep.
So the good thing is it doesn't look like it has hurt any of the stuff we still have growing.
So maybe the dill.
Yeah, it kind of beat some of the stuff down, but
Yeah.
other than that, I mean, everything still looks good.
Yep.
Take a quick look and I'll show you. Plus, we got to talk about the spring garden. Yeah. Starting to already make plans for that. So my green stalks, I just hadn't had time to mess with them. They're not doing anything. Absolutely nothing. Tomorrow it's supposed to be 73, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to replant them because I still got time to get some lettuce. So that one, total disappointment. Strawberries are just dying.
Yeah.
I'm still contemplating on taking them out of here and putting those in the new tubes like we have over there.
Yeah.
And we've got a few of them along there.
We had gotten some temperatures during the snow down in the teens.
Yeah.
And last year when it got that low, we had covered them up, and we didn't get the opportunity to do that this year. So I'm not sure that it didn't really hurt them. I mean, some of the leaves look fine.
And there's a couple of blooms
that are pretty red, and some are dying. Kathy pulled off a lot earlier today.
But you never know. It might come back in the springtime.
Yep.
That's what we're hoping anyway.
Yep.
So, and this green stalk has nothing but romaine in it. As you can tell, it's real spotty and kind of leggy and just not doing anything. Just pulling that up. I mean, that right there is the best looking one. And we have gotten some off of that earlier on. And I think we'll still be able to get a few leaves off. But I'm hoping to have this whole thing filled with romaine. The bok choy, it went directly to seed. Some of it did. If you're wondering what the seeds look like, that's the seed pods there. So I'm just leaving them there. Why? Because the bees like the little blooms. So I'm leaving them for them. Collards, as you can see, they got a little bit of a burn to them on some of the leaves.
Yeah.
But I think they'll come back. I think they'll be fine.
So.
I think I'll get one more
we'll
batch out of them.
We'll get a good cutting off of them.
Yeah. So the dill don't like snow. So it's beat down pretty good. I'm hoping it'll come back before summertime, but we'll see. And that right there was oregano, I think.
I don't recall.
I know I put the oregano here, and I put
You had mint here at one time,
mint.
didn't you?
Yeah, so maybe that's the mint.
Yeah.
Because I think the oregano was here, and it just died off. So
Yeah.
maybe that's the mint. Take a leaf and bite on it.
Doesn't
smell
smell
like-
like mint.
It doesn't.
Doesn't smell like anything.
Well, then don't eat it.
Yep. Oregano.
Oregano.
You're right the first time.
So, of course, again, all of these are kind of dormant right now. Got a bunch of seed pods in here. So what I just been doing is do it like that and just dropping them down. The chives, they don't like snow either. They're gone. The rest of the collards back here are still looking good. But you can see this is what I was talking about. You know, look like they got burnt a little bit. But flowers, I don't know. We're going to try to do some work out here tomorrow since it's going to be 73. We'll see. The radishes, I think we're going to pull them soon.
Yeah.
And I mean, I see some of them look like they are ready. So it's getting cold.
Yeah.
I think it was like 66 today. So, look at the broccoli. It's the first time we've ever grown broccoli. Of course, a lot of it is going to seed.
Yeah.
But
Problem is
still, I'm getting ready to cut
It's
some
never
of them.
developed, any kind of big heads.
Yeah. Not like you see in the grocery store.
So we haven't had a full serving at any one time.
Yeah. And it might just be the brand, the kind it
Yeah.
is too.
Might be.
So, but when you're not here for almost 2 weeks, it is what it is.
Yeah.
The Swiss chard hadn't done anything at all with this winter. And I was really counting on that. The Napa cabbage, I think the snow beat it down. What we're going to do is cut off the bad leaves and see if it'll come back. I
Good.
mean, the center part of them still look good.
Yeah.
So I think if we just kind of clean it up a little bit, I think it might be
came
fine.
Back, it came back the last time I
Yeah.
turned it up.
It did. So, but still hoping for more collars before they have to go away.
Yeah. Well, none of the collards went to seed yet, so
No.
they're still growing.
All empty. And here, I think we've got
Brussels
some
sprouts.
Brussels sprouts starting to form.
Yeah.
I'm going to show them. There we go. See them?
Yeah.
And it's a few of them.
Yeah, and you got some that are a little bigger here.
Yeah.
So this is our first experience with Brussels sprouts. We've
Yeah.
never grown them before. So
Yep.
that one's got some
That one's
decent
nice
ones.
ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So we'll see.
we'll see. Look like they're coming on.
Got the carrots in the middle that really hadn't been doing anything.
No.
So, and the cauliflower hadn't found,
Yeah.
Anywhere.
Plants look good, but they've just
Yeah.
never produced.
hadn't produced yet. So I'm still hoping for that. As you can see, some of the leaves were burnt on it too.
Yeah. And those
So
were
you never
planted
know.
in like September, I think. If I
Yeah.
remember correctly.
Cabbage. We've been getting a lot of cabbage
Yeah.
out of here. He's been cutting some for his mom. We've had some. Matter of fact, that's what we're having for dinner
Yeah.
tonight.
Should have
So-
brought my knife so I could cut it on video.
So got more radishes. Probably go ahead and pull the rest of them and all, because I think what I want to try to do is let the soil rest a little bit before it's time to plant. Get some fertilizer and stuff in here, compost, and get it going. But as you can see, I mean, it looks really nice. And I tell you, I'm so happy how this turned out because we've never been able to grow cabbage before.
Yeah.
So I am happy with whatever we get. We have gotten stuff.
And we've gotten plenty.
Yeah.
Just deciding which one I want to cut. Now, this one, this is not an ornamental cabbage. This is
No.
the same as the others,
Yep.
but it sure turned purple.
Yep.
That might be the one I eat this evening. I had got one from my mom earlier this week, and it had some purple on it too, but it was still pretty tasty.
We'll call this one Prince.
There you go, Prince cabbage.
Well, hello, Miss Lucky. You want to say hello to everybody? You do? Say hello. Say hi, my friends. How are you doing? Yeah. Yeah, you're such a pretty girl. That's a pretty girl. That's it? Okay, just gonna stare. These collards are looking good as well.
Yeah, they've
So
actually
they can
been some
handle,
of the best looking ones of fall.
yeah. So it looks like they can handle the snow too.
Yep.
Anyway, so nothing's in here, just letting it do whatever it's gonna do. So, but that's just a quick look of what snow can do to your garden. It doesn't look like it's done a whole lot. I mean, it's, you know, kind of injured some things, but all in all, you know, I think it looks great.
Yeah, I think so.
You know, especially because it's been so cold. I mean, I think this is the first winter in a long time that, you know, normally in December and January, we'll have a few days here and there of like 60s or 70s. We haven't had that this
Sometimes
year.
even up to 80.
Yeah, we haven't had that this
No,
year.
it's been,
Oh, sorry, it's rush hour around here.
yeah, but it's been mostly 50s and some 40s for highs.
Yeah, rainy.
Rainy. Had a lot of 20s for lows, even some teens for lows, which is very unusual for us.
Yeah.
So it's been
Everybody's talking
a
about
cold
it.
winter.
Yeah, everybody's talking about a high electric bill that they're having.
Yep.
Hadn't got ours yet. We had ours this past month, and it was higher than December, but
Yeah.
you know, it is what it is. You know, when you got your thermostat set on 68, you're going to have a high electric bill when
Yeah.
you got temperatures in the 20s and teens at night.
Yep.
It's just what it is. So anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching and all of those that have subscribed. Hopefully we'll be doing something fun this weekend because it's my Saturday off. So we're
Yeah.
going to have the grand boys, the big grand boys. Yes, we should call them grand young men
Yeah, there you go.
because,
They're still grandsons.
yeah. So anyway, we're hoping to go and have some fun with them on Saturday.
Right.
So they want to go back out in the woods, and we haven't been able to get out in the woods. So
Anyway, you had mentioned spring planting.
yeah,
I'm getting ready to go through the Farmer's Almanac to try to make sure I'm planting things at the right times.
yeah,
That's what we did with all of our fall greens, and they
Turned
did
out great.
mostly really well.
Yeah.
With the exception of a few different ones, but the collards, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, any of the greens, they've done real well. So we're going to try to do that with our spring stuff too, and plant it by the moon,
yeah.
according to the almanac.
Yeah.
So that's what
And
my
it
dad
looks
used
like-
to do. So that's what I'm gonna try.
So, and it looks like right now I need to get some tomato seeds going.
Yeah.
So I might try to get some of that tomorrow. If not
Yeah.
tomorrow, it'll be either Sunday or Monday.
The almanac says tomorrow.
I'm doing tomato seeds tomorrow. I
It
guess so.
It actually said the 29th through the 31st. So you got one
Oh
more day.
Lord, I got one more day. I got tomorrow. Y'all know what I'll be doing tomorrow.
Yep.
So anyhow, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Right.